So what I thought we'd talk about, and I'm open to suggestions, but I thought we could talk about the little subject of groups.
Yeah, which group do you mean? Do you mean SharePoint groups? Do you mean permission groups? Do you mean team sites? Do you mean community sites? Do you mean Yammer groups? Or do you mean the other kinds of groups?
Right.
I'm under the drill, so now I'm worried.
The new groups capability. Yes, there is some confusion. I think we've agreed.
So I think one of the issues we have around some of the confusion about which capabilities and which tool do I use when is really thinking about how people can figure out what combination of tools works effectively for their specific situation.
Isn't that personally, I'm excited by that concept of email and the Yammer conversations and being able to link my team site activity in Office 365 directly to these individual, these conversations, to these groups, and have other capability that's enabled, but it's just not there yet. So I'm not sure how to yet talk to people about that capability.
Yeah, I work for a product company, so obviously there's some aspects where I really totally get. I mean, Naomi, probably the same thing. You totally understand that the fact that they don't want to wait and release a full, completely finished groups and then realize that, oh, you know what, nobody's going to use it like that.
One thing that's going on here, though, I mean, Benjamin, you said that we're SharePoint people. You're a youngster, and I've been around for a really long time. And can you tell? And the more things change, the more they stay the same, right? Back in the mid-'90s, everyone was using Lotus Notes for this stuff, and it worked fine. Now we're sort of coming back, we've gone away and come back, and we've had eRoom and all these other competitors out there, and now we're sort of coming back to email again to say. But when you keep changing things on people and shifting their business process every year or two or three, it wears thin.
Just agreeing with what you're saying there, I think when you're talking so much about new features coming out and all these cool, shiny objects that we're releasing, we tend to forget like the core stories, the core themes of why the platform is powerful in the first place.